Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 8 English version, Math exercise 2.1, Math number 14. Taka 3000 at the rate of 10% profit and Taka 2000 at the rate of 8% profit are invested. What will be the average percentage of profit on the total sum of the principals? We have to find out the average percentage of profit. That the average percentage of profit means what is the profit of 100 taka in 1 year. That is the percentage of profit. And to get the average percentage of profit, we have to get two things. One, the total principal, and the other, total profit. Okay. From the question, we can see there are two profit rate, 10% and 8%. At 10% profit rate, profit of taka 100 in 1 year is taka 10. Profit of taka 1 in 1 year is taka 10 by 100. Profit of taka 3000 in 1 year, 3000 should go up. And if we simplify, this is 2 0 gone and here 2 0 gone, and we get taka 300. At 8% profit, the profit of taka 100 in 1 year is taka 8. Profit of taka 1 in 1 year is taka 8 by 100. Profit of taka, we know from question, is 2000. So 2000, taka 2000 in 1 year is taka 2000 should go up into 8 and 100 by 100. So if we simplify, the 2 0 gone, 20 into 8 equals to 160. Taka 160. So now we got the total in principal. Total principal equals to taka 3000 plus 2000. Here is 3000, here is 2000. So equals to taka 5000. And now we got also total profit equals to taka 300 and taka 160. 300 plus 160 equals to taka 460. So it's easy to get the rate of profit. So principal, the profit of, we can write profit of taka 5000 is 460. Of course, in 1 year. Profit of taka 5000 in 1 year is taka 460. Profit of taka 1 in 1 year is taka 460 and 5,000 should go below. Profit of Taka 100 in 1 year is Taka 100 into 460 by 5,000. Let's simplify. The 00 gone, 00 gone, and it is 9.2. So the answer is, this is the answer to the question, the average percentage of profit. So profit of Taka 100 in 1 year, Taka 9.2. So when we write the rate of profit, that should be 9.2. So the answer is answer 9.2%. Thank you very much.